Hey everyone, today's video is all about making Mimamsa's registration super easy. If you have ever felt a bit confused about signing up for a contest, you are in the right place. I will guide you through the whole process step by step. You can reach our website through QR which is in our Mimamsa poster or link which is in our social media platform like Instagram, or simply go on your browser, type Mimamsa IISER Pune. Open first link. Here is our website. You can see here for registration, about Mimamsa, journey of Mimamsa, previous winners, and some contact info about our coordinators. For registration, tap here, then you reach application form of registration. Here is something to read. Scroll down little bit, then you find the registration form of Mimamsa. Write your college name, college address, state of college, and how many participants in your team. If there is a 3, tick 3, or is a 4, tick 4. Now the write the details of individual participant like their name, gender, email ID, so that our coordinators reach you through by your email ID, date of birth, year of study, and your course name. If your course name not in the list, tick others and write your course name here. Fill your contact details. If you ever participated in Mimamsa, tick yes, otherwise no, and tick the confirmation that you are in only this team. As you fill the details of participants 1, fill the same as participant 2 and participant 3. When you done all participant details, here is a question: how did you hear about Mimamsa? Tick as how you know. If by the campus coordinator, find their name also. Otherwise, you choose other options. You complete the registration, then submit your application form of Mimamsa registration. Please wait 1 week to receive confirmation email from our team. Thank you for participating. Share this video to your friends so that they also know about Mimamsa and participate in this. Thank you.